Hey, it's Dougie Wood, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create and format tables inside of Microsoft Excel. So first off, we're going to select a cell within your data. So I'm going to select this cell here, and then I'm going to select on the Home and Format as Table option. You can choose any style you like, but I quite like this blue color. You also can then see that it's automatically selected the range for you. Now, you want to mark if your table has headers or not. So in this case, my table does have a header, so I'm going to leave this ticked and then click on OK. And there we go. It's as easy as that. You can then filter your data. Now it's a table by clicking on the little arrows next to the top of the columns. So say, for example, I'm only interested in the bike racks and the bottom brackets. I can filter by that and very simply see my data has now changed. There we go. If you found this useful, please do subscribe to my channel and also check out this next video for another useful Microsoft Excel tip.